I'm so excited to be here and live sharing with you this training that I know is going to be very, very supportive of your goals, especially those who are recently transitioning to focusing on building their business online. And I'm so excited to share with you guys some of the things that we found that do work, things that don't, things you can avoid. But my name is Rachel Peterson and I'm excited to be here. If you are watching live, be sure to comment below and let me know what type of business you run. Say hello. And if you're watching it on the replay, hashtag it replay in the comments. So I wanted to share 3 keys to building a successful, thriving business online, because there's so much that can come into our heads. Like, what are we supposed to do? Are we supposed to be on TikTok, all social media platforms? Where are we supposed to focus? Do we need a podcast? Do we need a YouTube channel? It can be kind of overwhelming, especially when you're first getting started in building your business. But even for experienced business owners, sometimes you can not really know exactly what you need to be focusing on. So I'm going to share with you guys 3 keys that you can look to time and time again that will be a surefire recipe to support you in growing. So first and foremost, number 1, we have visibility. Now, in the past, businesses called this like branding, and they would just throw up like any old billboard and say like any publicity is good publicity. But I want you to start thinking about publicity a little differently. Visibility is only truly good if you are getting in front of the people who can potentially become your clients or your customers. Visibility is a very targeted exercise. It's something you can do inside of Facebook groups, on a YouTube channel, with a podcast episode, with guest appearances. Even speaking on a stage can be visibility, but you don't necessarily have to leave your house or even open a camera or a microphone in order to engage in visibility. But visibility is the first big key. I want you to every single day say, how am I getting visible today? How am I making sure that my brand, my name, and my face are in front of these dream clients and customers? And if you make that a practice every single day, there are beautiful compounding effects, especially if you're delivering value and showing up in a trustworthy way. The second big key is generating leads. Visibility is awesome, but the thing about social media platforms, and I've built my business on social media, is that at any point you can lose any social media platform. And the real thing that you want to do is build out an asset that you own. That is your email list. That is a place where no one can ever take away your email list from you. It's very, very powerful. And it's how you ensure that you're going to be able to make sales, even if, let's say, your Instagram disappears tomorrow or YouTube randomly bans your YouTube channel. The second key is obviously to generate leads. And one of the most powerful ways to do that is with intentional lead generation of conversation. That's a manual way of doing it. Or even more powerfully, putting a funnel into place that captures leads so that that can run all the time, whether you're working, eating, sleeping, going to the gym. No, we're not going to the gym right now. Working out in your home gym, whatever it is that you're doing, you want that funnel to be working for you. Otherwise, you have to do it manually. And that is the purpose of a funnel and an automated system for generating leads. The third big key is generating sales. But a lot of people seem to shy away from generating sales, like it's a bad thing, or they get nervous. Maybe they get tongue-tied the second it comes to actually asking for the sale. But one thing that really supported me in building my business was understanding that asking for the sale is really just about value for value. It's saying, hey, listen, I have expertise or skills or services that I can bring to you that are worth more potentially for your business than the dollars you have in your pocket. And that's really powerful. It's just value for value. And when you know that you can bring something that impacts someone's life, whether it's for their business or for their life, it is your moral obligation to get it in front of them, because otherwise they're going to be turning to all the wrong answers. You know how when you think about your competitors, sometimes you get frustrated and you're like, no, they do it wrong. They don't do the best method. The only way to make sure that your dream clients and dream customers don't go to your competitors is to make sure that you are showing up and actually asking for the sale. That is absolutely key. Now, I have 2 awesome resources for you. If you found this helpful, oh my gosh, are you guys ready for this? I have 2 resources. First and foremost, I have the Thriving Owners Bundle, the Thriving Business Owners Bundle. That's really powerful resource where 32 top experts who have all built successful businesses working from home, working online, came together. We piled all of our best resources and put them together in one convenient bundle. So I'm going to drop the link for that beneath this video. The Thriving Business Owner Bundle is very, very powerful, and you can absolutely grab access to that right away. The second is, if you need support with your online marketing, I would love to connect you with some talent that I know is reputable, that can support you in achieving your goals, whether it's building a funnel or getting some assistance in your business. Maybe you need to build out your email automations or your email marketing strategy. Maybe you need help with Instagram or even writing copy. I know people who can support you who are the tops in all of those fields, and I cannot wait for you to be partnered up with someone who's amazingly talented that can bring your business to the next level. So both of those links are beneath this video. Feel free to check either one of those out. I can't wait to see you guys later. Have such a great Monday. Bye, everyone.